Understanding Smart Home Software, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and increasingly popular topic, smart home software. This concept is revolutionizing how we interact with our living spaces, making our homes more comfortable, convenient, and secure. If you're curious about how technology is making our homes smarter, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Smart home software is the brain behind the smart home. It's a type of application or system that allows you to control, monitor, and manage various devices and appliances in your home through a smartphone, tablet, or computer. From turning on the lights to adjusting the thermostat, smart home software makes it all possible with just a few clicks or voice commands. At its core, smart home software communicates with your home devices via the internet or other wireless protocols. It sends commands and receives status updates, enabling you to control your home remotely. Imagine being able to preheat your oven while you're still on your way home, or check if you've locked the door after leaving. That's the power of smart home technology. Convenience is a major advantage of smart home software. You can control multiple aspects of your home from anywhere, at any time. It also offers enhanced security features, such as real-time surveillance and alerts. Energy efficiency is another significant benefit. Smart home software can help you reduce electricity consumption by automating lights and thermostats, saving you money in the long run. There are several popular smart home platforms, such as Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. Each offers unique features and is compatible with various devices, allowing you to tailor your smart home to your needs and preferences. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating world of smart home software for you. As our homes become more connected, understanding how to leverage this technology can greatly enhance our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more tech topics with you. Remember, the future is smart, and with smart home software, you're already part of it.